According to Drive Tesla, Lucid is making big moves to expand its manufacturing operations in Casa Grande, Arizona. The company has launched Project Saguaro, aiming to annex and rezone 1,300 acres of land next to its existing factory. While there are no immediate construction plans, Lucid sees this as a long-term expansion opportunity for future growth. Lucid's current Arizona facility, known as AMP1, started production in 2020 and has already expanded to 3.85 million square feet, accommodating the Lucid Air sedan. The automaker also has a facility in Saudi Arabia, called AMP2, which started operating in 2023. Initially assembling pre-made vehicle kits from Arizona, the Saudi plant has a capacity of 5,000 vehicles per year, with plans to ramp up to full vehicle production, eventually reaching 150,000 units annually. Lucid's expansion signals confidence in its future, as it aims to increase production capacity both in the U.S. and internationally. You are listening to UON News.